Still running vanilla FiveM? Time to level up your visuals with ReShade the easy way. First, hit up reshade.me and grab the latest installer. Run it, click select a game, and hunt down your GTA 5.x. It's usually chilling in your main GTA V folder. When asked, pick Microsoft DirectX 10, 11, 12. For Max options, uncheck all effects, then check all. Hit next and boom, ReShade's in GTA V. Now let's move it to FiveM. Press Windows plus R, type local app data and hit enter. Find your FiveM folder, then open FiveM application data. No plugins folder? Create one. Jump back to your GTA V folder and copy these. ReShade shaders, DXGI-DLL, and ReShade.ani. Paste them into your shiny new plugins folder. Almost done. Launch FiveM. You'll see ReShade loading at the top. In-game, press home to open the menu. Got a preset? Pick it. Or just play around with effects. Checkboxes make it easy. Save your custom look and flex those graphics. Recap, download, install, copy, paste, and play. Mod on and enjoy those crisp new visuals.